how to buy Tango coins. So if you want to buy Tango coins, then first you need to launch your Tango application. You'll be led to this kind of page. You need to just simply go and log into your account. Go with your profile, which will be in the top left corner of your screen. You'll be able to find your profile icon. Right next to it, you'll be able to find the available coins option. You'll need to find the plus button. And once you find it, you need to tap on the plus button, which will be on the top left right here. You will have the coins section. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find best offers over here. You'll be able to see the amount of coins, also the price. Simply tap on the option of your choice. I'll just simply go with the first one. And here you need to go and select your payment method. So if you've added your credit or your debit card, you need to just simply go and select your payment method from your Play Market and then just tap on Pay and complete the transaction. After the transaction is completed, the coin will be deposited in your account. So that is how you can buy Tango coins. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.